Hello everyone, my name is Igor and today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the rear differential on 2013 Cadillac Cts with 2.0 turbo engine. It's this guy right here. They have a common issue with differentials going bad around 100,000 miles. So right now I have 99,000 miles and my differential whining like super crazy. Here is the short clip of the noise I'm hearing while driving. So I went ahead and bought the spare differential. It's a used one from the crashed same car. It's 3.45 ratio. They have a couple different differentials on this year, so make sure you're getting the correct part. The best way to double check is just to go to the GM parts, some kind of website, and double check with your VIN. So yeah, here we have a differential. Hopefully this one is good as they say. Well, it even says, I believe it's a mileage right here, 35,000 miles, so that's very good. And yeah, if anyone interested, here is the part number. I hope you can see this. And yeah, so the first thing we need to do, we're gonna need to jack up the car and put it on a jack stance. So after we jacked up the car, we can easily see what we are working on. So on this car it's pretty simple. We don't even need to take off an exhaust or anything like that. So this is bolted to the car on 3 points. So one is right here on the subframe, and the other two bolts, it's one right here and the other one on the other side. And also you would need to unbolt the drive shaft, which is right here, and the CV axles, one right here and right here. So I'm gonna start with the CV axles, and then the drive shaft, and then differential from the subframe itself. I'm going to start with the CV axles, and for CV axles I have a socket like this. It's 3/8 on the inch. So I'm gonna unscrew all these bolts and take them out. I got this bolt loose. It's the last two ones, but I'm gonna keep them in because in order to unscrew the other side I would need to hold the opposite wheel so like it won't rotate, and if I take these bolts out I wouldn't have any like leverage to hold on to. So I got them loose, but they're still in, so I can unscrew the other side. Okay, so I unbolted the CV axles. As you can see, it's free, but it seems like in order to pull it out completely I would need to drop the diff off, and on this side as you can see I unbolted it too. So the next thing we need to do, we need to unbolt the drive shaft from the differential, and to do that there is, if I'm not mistaken, there's 3 bolts, 1, 2 and third one on over there. So I'm gonna go and unscrew these 2, and in order to get to the third one I would need to rotate the drive shaft, and to do that I would need to put the transmission in neutral. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. I've got the differential, I mean the drive shaft unscrew it from the differential, as you can see. And the last thing we need to do, as I mentioned earlier, is remove this bolt right here, this bolt, and the one over here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Unscrew this bolt right here, and next I'm gonna unscrew those bolts, 2 bolts up front. But before I do that, I'm gonna secure the differential with the jack. So I got the diff secured with the floor jack, and right now I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew those front 2 bolts. So I got these 2 nuts off. Right now I'm gonna try to take these bolts off, and then I'm gonna lower the jack slowly, and I'm gonna make sure that a diff nut's gonna be caught on anything. So yeah, stay tuned. It's out. So I got the differential out. The good thing that they're both identical. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the fluid on this one. So I'm gonna drain the old fluid. So here is a drain plug on the side, and then according to the owner's manual, the gear fluid capacity on this differential is 1.38 quarts. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 1 quart out of the car, and I'm gonna top it off in the car. So stay tuned. I just find out that all the Cadillac dealerships right now are closed, so I'm not able to buy the correct differential fluid. So I just checked if there is an old fluid, and there is, so I'm just gonna keep that one in until I can get the correct fluid to replace it with. So right now I'm gonna put it in the same way I took it out. So here is another time lapse. Fixed the problem. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned.